After nyong mabasa ang mga text na to mula sa Google, ito ay legit. Masasabi nyo bang ang Grammy ay hawak sa liig ng apat na mga entertainment companies na nakabase sa Korea? Take note, mga higante ito, mga malalaking entertainment companies, mayayaman.
Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Itin! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Patuloy tayo sa ating pag-update. At ito nga sa ating research mula sa Google, nung nakadiscover tayo na may 5 kategorya na dinagdag ng Grammy sa kanilang awarding at number 1 dyan, ang Best Asian Pop Music Performance. At nagbigay tayo ng update at opinion. At heto may komento mula sa ating viewer. May namataan tayong komento about sa malalaking kumpanya, entertainment companies na malahiganti at mayayaman na nakabase sa South Korea. Siyempre, halatang malaking bayad ang binigay ng 4 na kumpanya sa Grammy. Nag-try po tayo mag-research sa Google at ito ang lumabas. Basahin natin tungkol sa malaking higanting kumpanya, music company na kung saan may koneksyon sa Grammy sa Amerika. Heto, nasusulat mula sa Google. South Korea's Big 4 entertainment agencies are HYBE, SM Entertainment, YG Entertainment, at GYP Entertainment. While these companies have historically struggled to secure major nomination for their artists at the US Grammy Awards, the recording company, Recording Academy, recently introduced a dedicated category for Asian popular music to address this. The relationship between these agencies and the Grammys involves several major milestones and industry shifts. New Asian Pop category. The Recording Academy introduced the Best Asian Pop Music Performance category, taking effect for the upcoming ceremony. This category explicitly includes K-pop and is designed to better recognize the global impact of the genre. At heto pa, Big 4 Collaborative Festival to expand the global reach of their artists beyond traditional awards, and Big 4 agencies are collaborating on a joint venture to launch a massive international music festival called Phenomenon in late 2027. Previous milestones, while major agency-managed groups like BTS and Blackpink have not yet won Grammy Awards, K-pop as a medium did achieve a historic victory. The track Golden from the film K-pop Demon Hunters won a Grammy for Best Song written for visual media. Grabe, parang pilay na pilay dyan ang ibang pop culture, lalo na ang P-pop. Sobrang yaman ng K-pop pala. Ayon sa ating na-discovery, tumulong pala ang K-pop industry sa P-pop industry at nagpadala ng Korean entertainment na mag-train kung gusto sumali as boy band under K-pop industry management. At heto nga ang Horizon mula sa ABS-CBN na mayroong reality show doon na kung saan nag-hard sila, nag-train, parang reality show na maging isang K-pop boy band. Ito ang Horizon. Bali, half-half ang nag-manage, ang ABS-CBN at ang Korean music industry. At heto nga nasusulat mula sa Google. The Horizon Pinoy Group you are referring to is Horizon, an all-Filipino boy group formed through the survival show Dream Maker. They are co-managed by the South Korean agency MLD Entertainment and the Philippine Broadcasting Network ABS-CBN. Key details about the group. The members, the lucky 7 members are Vinci, Kim, Kyler, Reister, Winston, Jeremy, and Marcos. The concept they combine elements of both P-pop and K-pop while they are proudly Filipino. MLD Entertainment promotes them as a global K-pop act, leading many to call them the first Filipino K-pop group. Their debut, they officially debuted in South Korea in July 2023 with their full-length album Friendship featuring the title track 16 o 6-7-EEN. So ating masasabi na talagang tumulong din pala ang Korean Entertainment Company sa ABS-CBN at sa Pilipinas, OPM din na makabuo ng isang K-pop at P-pop boy band. Yun ang Horizon. So, ang recent update sa grupong Horizon, the group under Korean Management Agency, MLD Entertainment, have faced various financial at promotional challenges over recent years, though they still retain a dedicated fan base across both countries. For a look of the group's energetic and performance style and how they blend Filipino talent with K-pop aesthetics. So, mahigit 4 pala. Marami ang entertainment company, music entertainment company na nakabase sa Korea. Ito nga ang dagdag na MLD Entertainment na naging partner ng ABS-CBN para sa Horizon. Nabuuin sila as Korean at P-pop group boy band. I think hindi po basta-basta masisira at matitinag ang K-pop industry kasi marami po silang connection. Ito nga ang 4 na higanting music entertainment at mayroon pang MLD Entertainment at marami pang iba. Ating matandaan, isang Korean music entertainment company ang naging partner ng SB19 at 1Z Entertainment, ang Showbiz Company. Pero I think may nabasa ako, hanggang ngayon, mayroon pang connection ang Showbiz Company sa SB19 team. I think 1/4 mayroong pagiging partnership ang Showbiz in terms of music, composing song, dance move, release of concert and fan event, mayroon pang share o mayroong sponsorship, partnership ang Showbiz Company. At heto pa, dahil sobrang lawak at mayaman ang K-pop industry, Chinese and Japanese artists travel to South Korea to train the globally renowned K-pop system. Agencies in Seoul provide highly structured, intensive training in dancing, singing, and performing. This gives foreign idols international industry exposure, access to world-class producing teams, and a broader global fan base. So, grabe talaga. Maliban sa top 5 most powerful passport ang Korea or South Korea, ay mayaman din at hindi basta-basta matitinag o maboykot ang K-pop industry. Malawak na sila kahit nga sa buong Amerika, buong Europa, K-pop, maraming K-pop fan base, maraming K-pop fanatics talaga. Kaya naman, hindi nakakapagtaka na kakapit o kumapit ang Grammy sa K-pop music industry, lalo na sa 4 na malahiganting music entertainment na nakabase sa South Korea. At heto pa, naka-flash sa mga screen nyo ang koneksyon ng K-pop sa mga gusto mag-train under their company, entertainment company. Ang Chinese nga at Japanese ay nakikasosyo na rin. Samantala, narito pa ang mga na-research natin sa Google about sa koneksyon ng Grammy sa mga malalaking Korean company, music entertainment companies.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're loud.